want to celebrate our men and women in uniform today. We have quite a few here. This day is for you. It's about trying to give back the things that you do for our community. The dedication, the courage, the selflessness that it takes to put on the uniform is admirable. We often take for granted the sacrifices you all have to make, miss family moments, long hours, but today we want to acknowledge that. Behind every first responder, there's a good family. You're living with heroes, real heroes in our community.